What's up, fellow Drops fans? You may notice that we are not coming at you live from Fellows HQ in San Francisco. We're actually just down the street at Dandelion's HQ in San Francisco, here to talk to you today about a partnership the likes of which we have never done before with Fellow Drops. I'm here with Alex from Dandelion today. Alex, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hey everyone, my name's Alex. I am the assistant manager over here on 16th Street at the factory. And Dandelion, for those of you who aren't familiar, we are a small batch, 2-ingredient, single origin bean to bar chocolate.
We are super excited to partner with Dandelion. Not only are we neighbors HQ to HQ, but we're also neighbors right on Valencia Street. Our store is at 820 Valencia, and Dandelion is, a block down from us. So I think this is a long time coming. We've always also had just like a deep respect for Dandelion. As another brand that is really concentrated on quality, we definitely recognize that. So bringing this together was a real treat.
Yeah, for us too. We're super excited to partner with Fellow and showcase our lovely mocha and your fabulous, beautiful, high quality mugs over here.
Double wall ceramic.
Yeah.
We really wanted to choose a coffee that would have some bright qualities that kind of like stood out from the very true to chocolate flavor, but at the same time come from a similar origin to the chocolate, so that the terroir would allow for like a base in flavor that would then blend seamlessly with the chocolate was the goal. And based on our tests of the recipes, I think we did a pretty good job.
I think we did. I would have to agree with that. They do go quite well together.
Let's get into some recipes, shall we?
Yeah, let's do it.
Starting with the pour over, what we did was brew a 1-to-10 ratio bit of pour over. So we ended up with 200 grams total of coffee, so very concentrated. 30 grams of chocolate, the house-made chocolate, mixed into steamed whole milk, or you're saying
non-fat milk actually works quite well, surprisingly. You wouldn't think that non-fat would do well in a hot chocolate, but it's actually quite creamy and quite delicious.
So 30 grams of chocolate mixed in with the hot milk, pour that into the 200 grams of coffee, and then just fill up your favorite vessel. And then if you're feeling really fancy, go ahead and top it off with cocoa powder.
Nibs. Cocoa powder nibs are also the other option. They add a really nice textural component to it. So
that's true. Many options. You could dip a cookie into this, probably it would taste good. You've got so many options. Let's talk about the mocha too for all of our espresso fans out there.
Yeah. The house hot chocolate, as I mentioned earlier, of course, with the Camino Verde from Ecuador. We did a trial batch with the coffee from Heart, and it actually pairs quite well because it is quite bold in flavor and fruity, and so it just marries really well with the chocolate and the 30 grams, as you said. We also tried it with espresso, so we measured it out the way that we do here in the cafe, so 17.4 grams with an output of 30 grams for 30 seconds.
Great. So 30 grams chocolate and 30 grams espresso too?
Yes,
I like that.
Exactly.
Yeah. Nice and easy.
Double shot espresso. You could also do it with a single shot espresso, but double shot really packs a punch.
And you also were making that with non-fat too, right?
Yes. Right. Yeah, we do use non-fat in our recipe here.
Well, thanks so much for having us over here today. And before we go out, would love to hear what Dandelion's got on the horizon.
Yeah, I wanted to take the time to thank you so much for collaborating with us and really showcasing our house hot chocolate, and how to make a really special mocha at home. We also have some special limited edition items for Valentine's Day coming up. So
sweet.
If you're curious about those, come and check them out.
Literally sweet. Chocolate. And other things. Macaroons, I heard?
Perhaps some macaroons, those might be in the cards.
Sweet. I will need like 10 at least. Thank you, fellow Drops fans, also for joining us today. Super stoked about this. Pick up your bundle of coffee and chocolate and go try these recipes out.
Yeah.
We'll see you later.